Okay, for this session, basically I wanted to use the OWASP ZAP. I've already launched my web code. So most of the time when students actually uses the web code and the ZAP together, you actually have an error. So we need to solve this first. So let me launch my ZAP to show you the error. It's running. Okay, this is the error. Cannot listen on port local 8080. Now, the reason because of this is your web code is actually using this port, and you are trying to get your ZAP to actually use the same port, so there is actually a conflict. And so how do we solve this? Okay, let me just click OK and go into the ZAP first. Alright, so now I'm in ZAP. I'm okay with this one. I will just close this window. To change the port, you need to go into the tools. Here's the tools. Alright, there is one option at the very last. Okay, and look for the local proxy. Okay, here it is. This is the local proxy. So you can see that in the local proxy, you have the address, alright, which is your local host. Well, we'll leave it there. And you have the port. So at this current moment, you are actually pointing to the port 8080, which there's going to be a conflict. You can change the port. Okay, let me just change the port here. Please do not use the port 8081 because we will be using the WebWolf. WebWolf will be using the port 8081. Actually, you can use any other port that you like. Well, I just choose 8090 out of convenience, but all I have to do is click OK. Alright, then okay, let me close this. So you can see that my web code is still running, but this time if I rerun my ZAP, okay, it's loading. Okay, finish. It will go directly into the ZAP itself. So this error message of cannot listen on port localhost 8080 is solved. Just a quick reminder is that when you have actually configure your new port, you will need to tie your browser to this new exact port. Alright, because if not, you can't actually get this proxy to intercept or do any particular work that you want to do for your penetration testing or your attack. Alright, so this will actually solve your problem, and on the next session we will actually be going directly into using the OWASP ZAP attack, this attack proxy together with our web code and WebWolf classes. Okay, so I'll see you on the next session.